Honestly, both the Vitamix A2300 and Vitamix 7500 are great options if you're seeking a quality Vitamix blender. However, even though they share similarities, there are some key differences that you should know about before investing in a Vitamix blender. Don't forget to click the links in the description to see the most up-to-date pricing information. The A2300 edges ahead slightly in blending technology with its digital timer, allowing for more precise blending. This feature helps you achieve consistent results every time you use it. Plus, its compatibility with the Vitamix Perfect Blend app opens up a world of recipes and customization options. On the other hand, the 7500 shines in simplicity. After all, not everyone needs pre-programmed settings to get the most from their blender. Both models sport a robust 2.2 horsepower motor, ensuring they can tackle tough ingredients with ease. They also share the same 10 variable speed settings and pulse function, giving you control over texture and consistency. Ultimately, both blenders offer exceptional versatility and performance, with the A2300 providing a few extra bells and whistles for tech-savvy users. It's worth noting that while the A2300 is typically cheaper than the 7500, it actually comes with a longer warranty. The A2300 comes with a 10-year warranty, whereas the 7500 has a 7-year guarantee, which is still pretty good for a household blender. When it comes to looks, the Vitamix A2300 and 7500 share a sleek, modern aesthetic that'll complement any kitchen. Both sport a low-profile design, so you can easily tuck them under most kitchen cabinets. The A2300 features a digital timer on its base, giving it a more high-tech appearance. In contrast, the 7500 keeps things simple with a classic analog look. Color options differ slightly between the two models as well, with the A2300 being available in black, white, slate, and red. In contrast, the 7500 is just available in the 3 classic Vitamix blender colors: black, white, or red. Both models come with a 64-ounce container, perfect for family-sized blends. The containers are made of BPA-free Triton plastic, ensuring durability and safety. The Vitamix A2300 and 7500 both offer intuitive controls, but with some key differences. You'll find a variable speed dial on each model, allowing you to fine-tune your blending. The A2300 takes it up a notch with a digital timer display, helping you track blending time precisely. Both blenders feature a pulse function, perfect for quick bursts of power. However, the A2300's pulse switch is slightly more responsive to the touch. The A2300's controls are sleeker, with a modern touch interface. In contrast, the 7500 sticks to classic toggle switches, which some users find more tactile and satisfying to use. You might appreciate the A2300's self-detect technology if you like the idea of automated blending. It recognizes which container you're using and adjusts settings automatically. The 7500 lacks this smart feature, requiring manual adjustments. As you'd expect from a Vitamix model in the Ascent series, the Vitamix A2300 takes the lead in smart technology features. You'll find a built-in digital timer on its control panel, allowing precise blending times for your recipes, which might help you get better results. This model also connects to the Vitamix Perfect Blend app via Bluetooth, offering access to hundreds of recipes and personalized blending programs. In contrast, the Vitamix 7500 sticks to a more traditional design. It doesn't have smart features or connectivity options, instead offering a more hands-on blending experience. The A2300 uses self-detect technology, meaning it can recognize the container size you're using and adjust blend settings accordingly. Both blenders feature variable speed control and a pulse function. However, the A2300's digital display gives you more precise control over blending times. If you're tech-savvy and enjoy smart kitchen gadgets, the A2300 might be your preferred choice. But if you prefer simplicity, the 7500's straightforward design could be more appealing. The A2300 has a slight edge in cleaning convenience. Its container is dishwasher safe, so you can pop it in for a quick clean. The 7500's container, on the other hand, needs to be hand washed. For tougher jobs, the A2300 comes with a self-cleaning program. Just add soap and water, press the button, and let it do its thing. With the 7500, you'll need to manually run it through a cleaning cycle, which in fairness, you can do with just a few button presses. And with that said, I hope my Vitamix 7500 versus a 2300 comparison helped you to pick the right blender for you.